Hello and welcome to this video by Upskeeling on the SAP Migration Project, from ECC to S4HANA. According to recent industry insights, companies that have successfully transitioned from SAP ECC to SAP S4HANA have experienced up to a 20% increase in revenue and a 30% improvement in operational efficiency. These results speak for themselves. SAP migration is not just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic transformation. What is the SAP Migration Project? At Upskeeling, we define SAP migration as a comprehensive, end-to-end journey that supports organizations in transitioning from the legacy SAP ECC system to the next-generation SAP S4HANA. With SAP's cutting-edge technology and our guided approach, businesses can streamline operations, enhance performance, and unlock new value. Let us illustrate with a simple analogy. Think of ECC as a trusted, long-serving system that's now outdated. It's slower, harder to maintain, and lacks modern capabilities. Now imagine upgrading to a powerful, efficient, feature-rich system. This is your move to S4HANA. Our role at Upskeeling is to make this transition smooth, efficient, and aligned with your business goals. There are compelling reasons to start your migration journey sooner rather than later. SAP has announced the end of support for ECC by 2027. Continuing to run unsupported systems risks performance issues, security vulnerabilities, and increased maintenance costs. S/4HANA, in contrast, enables seamless integration, process automation, and digital transformation, positioning your business for future growth and innovation. Migration paths. At Upskeeling, we offer support across all major SAP migration paths. Brownfield migration. Convert your existing ECC system into S4HANA while preserving data, configuration, and custom code. Greenfield implementation. Start fresh with a clean S4HANA environment, ideal for redesigning processes and adopting best practices. Selective Data Transition. A hybrid approach, moving only essential data and processes to S4HANA for targeted transformation. Key migration challenges. While the benefits are significant, migration comes with its challenges. Compatibility issues, especially with older ECC versions. Complex data transformation and cleansing. Learning curve with new technologies like HANA-DB and Fiori UI, high resource requirements in terms of time, budget, and expertise. Skills gap, requiring training or external support. Upskeeling provides end-to-end guidance to navigate these challenges with confidence. SAP Migration Tools. We leverage SAP's ecosystem of tools to support your migration journey. SAP Readiness? Check. Assess your ECC system and plan ahead. SAP Transformation. Navigator. Tailor your migration roadmap. SAP Migration Cockpit. Centralized tool for data migration. Legacy System Migration Workbench, LSMW. Ideal for older systems and custom scenarios. Planning for success. A well-planned migration starts with a clearly defined migration path, early data assessment and compatibility checks, budgeting and resource allocation, engaging key stakeholders, establishing a governance model for decision-making. Upskeeling supports your organization at every step with proven methodologies and expert insights. Successful migration unlocks increased efficiency and productivity, real-time analytics and decision-making, simplified data models and improved user experience, lower total cost of ownership, enhanced data security and regulatory compliance. With Upskeeling as your partner, you future-proof your business. Data migration strategy. Data migration is at the heart of your transformation. We focus on data mapping and transformation, cleansing and harmonization, master and transactional data handling, using ETL best practices, validation and reconciliation, post-migration. Each step ensures data integrity, accuracy, and readiness. Post-migration hygiene checks. After migration, our focus shifts to validating data completeness and accuracy, user acceptance testing, UAT, training for business users, monitoring system performance, addressing any anomalies early. Our structured post-go-live support ensures smooth business continuity, partnering with Upskeeling. At Upskeeling, we act as your strategic migration partner. From readiness assessment to go-live support, we manage the full lifecycle. Our SAP experts tailor migration strategies to your organization's needs, reducing risks, improving timelines, and delivering lasting results. Best practices for a successful migration. We recommend the following best practices: thorough system assessment and process review, collaborative planning with business and IT stakeholders, data optimization using SAP tools, compatibility management and gap analysis, robust end-user training leveraging experienced migration partners, infrastructure, analysis and preparation. Before migration, we conduct a detailed review of your IT infrastructure, assessing hardware, storage, network readiness, ensuring compliance with S4HANA requirements, identifying necessary upgrades for performance and scalability. This ensures a strong foundation for deployment. Cutover planning and pre-production steps. We guide you through a structured cutover strategy, task and timeline definition, role assignments across IT and business system testing, dry runs, and UAT communication planning and contingency preparation. Smooth switchover with minimal disruption. Conclusion: migrating from SAP ECC to S4HANA is more than a system upgrade. It's a digital transformation journey. At Upskeeling, we bring the right mix of expertise, strategy, and tools to ensure your migration is successful, efficient, and value-driven. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected for more insights on enterprise transformation with SAP.